Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's happy and healthy and having a wonderful start to their day. At first, we're going to do $1 a day. How many was hollering at me Monday? I completely forgot to do the weekend. And I just marked off one day for Monday and never even thought about the weekend. I got to looking when I was getting ready to set this one up. I'm like, something's not right. And I have forgot to do Saturday and Sunday. But we're caught up now. Oh, goodness. So let's count and make sure we have 23. Make sure we are correct. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3. Yes. We are back on track. We're getting it. We may make a bobble every now and then, but we're getting it. Okay, let's do our mini savings challenges. Maybe we can get close to finishing a few. I haven't been to the bank this week, so I'm only working with like 40 for both. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So let's roll and see. Let's see. Let's move that to the side. Now, 6, 5, and 6. I just love these little images. They're so cute. Love the hummingbirds. And 4. Fingers crossed, maybe we can finish a couple. And I forgot to get the other ones out in case we did. That's okay. If not, we'll figure out what we're going to do when we get there. Okay, and 3. I'm just going by the seat of our pants today. Now 3, don't be the money hog again. Last week you were the money hog. Number 4. There's 4 again. And 3. Okay. There's that 3 again. 2. Okay, I'm going to cheat a little bit today. We're going to put 2 in this one. We're going to put 2 in this one. I know, I'm cheating a little bit here. I'm just going to go ahead and put the last. Well, let's roll for the last one. And 2. Okay, here we go. So number 1 has 2. One more. Hopefully next week we will finish everything. Mark off 1 on that one. And these are some challenges that I had made and had given away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See this one? Go to sinking funds, which is something I was talking about Monday. And up next is number 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4. We are completing this one. 2, 4. And this one is up to, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Let's see if I can get a hold of paper. So here they're starting to get a little tangled up. Come on. There we go. Okay, and up next, there's no extra, so, okay, this one is from the Secret Budgeter. We're pulling back bringing back our old ones that was in here before I done the Christmas and July, 4th of July challenges. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 4. And this one's for the 100 envelope. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 so far. This one gonna be a 20 save. No, it looks like 21. Cute challenge. Up next is number 4. And we are finishing this one. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's another one completed. Let's go ahead and put another Christmas challenge in its place. Okay, this one is from Pansy Budgets. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, what we're gonna do. We'll just mark 1, 2. And we'll just use this for Christmas. Since it is a Christmas child. Look at little Tweety. Oh, my youngest daughter loved Tweety when she was little. Anything yellow. Let's see. Oh, we're finishing another one. So this one's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another Christmas challenge. Yay, at the end of the month, we get to stuff this in our brick wall. So there is 2. And our last one. And I will go back and just get challenges to fill it. Oh, here's another one we finished. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another $10. There we go. Wow, 4 challenges finished today. And I will go and put the new challenges in. I'll do that off camera. That's not to make this one too long, because it was pretty long last week. Guess what? We have a new box challenge. I still can't see. Rainy Day Box Challenge. This one is from Omacrafts and Budgets and Janet over at My Modern Homestead. Love her. 2 wonderful ladies. So please go over and check out Tanya and Janet. So, let's get started. Like I said, I only have 20 to start with this week. So, hopefully everything will go okay. And here's our cards. Can you see okay? Zoom in just to look, because these are some adorable challenges. Whoop. And we'll put the paper clip back up, out of the way. We've got our marker here. So let's get started. Let's move these back. Put the money right here. Yeah, kind of like to leave there so I don't forget. Oh, add $1 to the little flower boots. These are adorable little images. So our first one is for $4. So we'll color this in. I'll have to figure out what I'm going to do with this one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One's all crinkled. There we go. That one's done. And up next is a Search and Save. Oh, a little pair of rainbows. Another pair. Let's see. There they are. And they are for $2. Cute. Oh, just love this challenge. I love doing box challenges. Let's add our $2 to this one. I'm not sure how far we'll get, but that's okay, that's okay. Let's see. I didn't think I had seen that one. Well, did I miss it? Oh, it's on that one. There it is. And it said add $1, so we'll put 2 into this one. 1 and 2. And this one has a shut the box. I have never played shut the box before. And depending on how high the amount is and what the budget's like, we'll either do each icon for $1 or we'll add it up. We'll just have to play it by ear. I just, my looks, I happen to see it and think, oh. Okay, I guess we're playing Shut the Box. Okay. Okay. Hey, look at all the little images. Isn't that so cute? If you like this, please head over to My Modern Homestead or On My Crafts and Budgets and get this one. Okay, let's roll and see how we do. 6. Okay, knock a big number right off the top. And a 4. Okay. And a 2. And a 6. Oh yeah, 5 and 1. 5 and 1, baby. It just leaves us with a 3. And a 2. We're going to add the $3. 3. 1, 2, and 3. First time ever playing Shut the Box, so we'll mark off one of these and we'll just shove her back in the deck. Stick it back in the deck. Okay, up next, you forgot an umbrella. Save an extra $2 in section 4. 5. And this one, there's 3, there's 4. So an extra $2. Okay, there's that one. And up next, Search and Save for the little ducky. All kinds of different color little duckies. The pink and yellow and blue and purple. Where is the ducky? Right there. And it is for $3. Cute. Oh, I love it. 1, 2, and 3. There's that one. Let's see. We're down to 4. So let's one more time. Search and Save. It's this one right here for $2. I do believe that's it. I'm not sure that's it. No, it was this one instead. $2. I'll just switch it up. When I get this one, I'll color that one. Same thing. They're the same amount. Okay. I'll just have to remember. Okay. And I'm just going to carry over this $2 because I do not want an IOU. Okay. So we'll stick that there. And in the first one's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $9 in section 2. One didn't receive anything. Section 3 has $2. Maybe next week we can bring a little more. We can play more. Section 4 got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and number 4. Number 5 didn't receive anything, and number 6 didn't receive anything, and we didn't roll and save. And we done shut the box. It was $3. And these are done. Whoop. And these are done. We'll put these in here. There's these little double envelopes like this makes box challenges handy. So everyone, that's it for today. Everyone, thanks for liking, watching, commenting. Please go over and check out these ladies, and if you're interested in this box challenge, and if you start doing it, let me know, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.